Okay, good afternoon, Class 5. In Science today we're going to look at gestation periods of different animals. So what do you think gestation is? Use the images on the board to help you. Okay. What do you think the word gestation means? Basically, it's the amount of time a baby develops inside the mother. That's the gestation period. Okay. So a small animal like a mouse might only be pregnant for 21 days, but a human is pregnant for 9 months, whereas an elephant is pregnant for around 645 days. That's crazy that they're pregnant for that long. That's a long time. Okay, so your first task in your sheet, what similarities and differences do you notice between animals during their gestation periods? So you've got some images between a shark, a lizard, a chicken and a human. Okay, they all start at this part, this stage. Okay, and look at how they develop. Okay, so what changes do you notice? So I'm not going to do that with you. I want you to do this on your own today to discuss some of the changes. Do they get bigger? Do they get smaller? Do facial features start to form? You can see that they're starting to form. The eyes are getting bigger. They're starting to form hands in this part. The only one that's very different there really is the shark. Okay, but you can see that the hands there. Okay, so I want you to write at least 2 similarities and at least 2 differences for this one. Okay, your main task is to produce a bar chart based on the data of gestation periods. So we've got a mouse who is pregnant for 21 days, squirrel 30 days, cat 64 days, lion 108, human 266, camel 370, rhinoceros 450 and an elephant 645. Now, to construct your bar chart, you are going to need to use this video to help you. So we need to label our X and Y axes, and we also need to put our 0 at the start. Okay, so we're going to label the length of pregnancy is going to go on this side. Now make sure you leave enough space to write your numbers. Okay, so I'm going to move that over there. So we've labelled this axis as the length of pregnancy, and along the bottom we are going to write animal. Okay, so we've labelled our axes, which is really important to do. We've got our 0. Now I was wondering what scale would be best to go up in. So I'm thinking we've got a large range of numbers there. If we went up in 25s, it wouldn't fit. So we're going to go up in 50s. Okay, I'm not going to do all of this for you, but I will do it with you. So the next number, so I'm going to make these smaller, and you write the numbers on the lines, not in the boxes, on the lines. So we'll go 50, 100, 150, 200. You need to put all of them in. I'm just going to do a couple. 250, 300, just to make it quicker. But you need to put the other ones in as well. 400, 500, 600, and we only need to go up to 650 because an elephant is 645, so we only need to go up to there. So what I suggest you do as well when you are doing your bars, you use 2 parts, 2 columns for each animal. So that could be mouse, squirrel, sorry that my line's not straight, cat, lion, human, camel, rhino and elephant. Now you need to write the names of the animals. If you just want to do I think they all start with different letters. So just for ease, if you did mouse, squirrel, so these go inside because we're drawing the bar. Oh, cat. So we'll actually write cat. It's only short. We'll just make that smaller. Elephant. Oh, I've messed that up now. Where was it? There we go. And elephant. Okay. And then to do your bar, so let's have a look. Squirrel is 30 days. So this is going to be really short. It's going to be about there for squirrel, because it's below 50. I do apologise that I can't get my lines correct on here. Oh, what's happened there? See, my battery was low there, so I need to get my laptop charger. Elephant then goes up to 645. So that's going to be right up here like this. Okay. And when you are doing your bars, they need to be directly next to each other. So if we do rhino, so I can show you, 450, they need to be next to each other. Okay, it's probably take you quite a while this one, but persevere with it. And if you need to pause my video on this screen to help you set yours up, then do that. And then you've got a couple of questions to answer about it as well. Good luck, guys.